Hello, in this last unit I'm just going to overview the second hands-on activity on IPOP to give you a perspective of what it's about. So in the first hands-on activity you deployed a couple of IPOP endpoints and connected them together using Planet Lab as a bootstrapping overlay. In this activity you're actually going to deploy your own bootstrap overlay, and the link for the tutorial is shown here. So compared to the previous setup where the overlay network was hundreds of machines distributed across the world on Planet Lab, here you're going to deploy a small PDP overlay in one virtual machine. So as in the previous example, we have virtual machine 1 Alice, virtual machine 2 Bob, but now they're going to connect to a small overlay with 16 peer-to-peer nodes running as a single process inside a virtual machine VM3 PAM. So the goal here is to show you how to deploy your own bootstrapping overlay. If you'd like to deploy a private P2P system and not use or not rely upon the Planet Lab public overlay, this would be a starting point for you to understand how to make that process work. So the steps: you're going to deploy the PAM, Alice, and Bob VMs. And again, the installation involves the IPOP package and the files for this tutorial. You're going to run a process on PAM that's called PDP Node, and that runs basically the PDP overlay without connecting it to a tap device. It's just a P2P router and not a virtual network endpoint. And this process will run 16 P2P nodes, and then Alice and Bob will add up 2 more nodes to the P2P overlay, and you see that they will connect using the regular IPOP mechanisms that we saw in the previous activity.